Hello everyone. Our department literally called us losing their minds because the university's course scheduling app keeps crashing. So we decided to build something better. BeePlan. Our application is built from Python using AI tools such as Canva, Cursor, Gemini, and DeepSeek. We can execute directly from Python to launch our application. So let's get started. I have some test cases to try out our program. Let's insert some values to our program. Here are the scheduling rules in our program. That's how it creates schedules. So when we insert the data, it gets loaded to main page, and we can see how data are here and toggle between them. Our program is trying to tell us there are conflicts on time slots in here. Program marks them as red, and I'd like to show you the sample data. Here is classroom list. We have course IDs and then classrooms. We have instructor lists, courses, and instructor names. And here are the course lists. Our program is built to read all of them from Excel files. And let's use some test cases here. We'll generate custom schedules. As you can see, there are example format in here guiding us. If any information after course ID is empty, just like in physics 132 course in here, it just passes it. It just says blank. And when we create, here our course is loaded and we can see there are some conflicts. And we can see them on conflicts page here on custom schedule, and our conflict report page shows available slots that we can move these conflicting time slots. We can click view report to conflict report page. So we can make any changes in this conflict report page, such as we can select another instructor, we can change classroom, and we can do any edits. We can rename custom schedule, edit course code text, and whatever we want. Let's try out. Let's move chemistry 130 to Friday's last hours. We double click them and save changes. And as we can see, it's loaded to here. So we can toggle between custom schedules. Let's try out an overloaded course in here. We will try out overloading an instructor. And as you can see in conflict report, it gets a warning, or instructor has more than maximum hours on a single day. So after doing this, we can save our schedule. Let's see how it says. And as you can see, it lists every single information in here. Alright, we have solved the problem of the department. Let's move on how we used AI tools to develop the application. So first of all, I used Canva for UI design. I wanted something yellowish and charcoal tint, main screen, settings screen, and conflict screen, but Canva was not very doing good for it. I had to manually edit all of the numbers and text at there. Next, we have logic development and coding. I used Cursor for it, and Cursor was very good. When I asked anything on Cursor, it just did on instantly without any mistakes. 3, we have data processing on Cursor. Well, it was very easy on doing something with cursor, but it was not perfect on this one. I had to do some minor adjustments. And lastly, I need to documentate everything I do. Gemini was very good on it. Gemini was doing extremely good, but the tone was a little bit too academic and not like a human talking. I had to simplify it a little bit. And that's it. Thank you for listening.